If you're someone that snores and you're a mouth breather, maybe you're someone that has always had that bagginess around their neck and they want to do something about it. Well, breathing through your nose is actually how we're designed to breathe. If you look in the Bible, Genesis 2:7, God breathed life into our nostrils, and that's the way we are supposed to breathe. And if you are opening your mouth through the night, maybe you wake with a dry mouth, we're not getting the right levels of oxygen. We're not able to recover. And not just that, it will help the muscles around your neck and around your face to become better shape. Studies that show they are stronger, they are more defined if you are a nose breather. As crazy as that sounds, I know I was very skeptical until I read the study, but there are studies that show this, that if you're a nose breather, your face appears more attractive. I'm going to get really annihilated in the comments here. It's science, not my opinion.